Same thing, it's just dense. You did the post ones, right? Yeah. You just walked on fire, police, and race. Some great colors, man. I'm an Academy Pro. Right, finished off my crossbow grid. Not bad out of 56, 110 with an arc full of 15.
So, on a rescue mission, covert ops rescue mission. No, it's just some guy is stuck. Said he trying to get his bike started, and he wanted help from the Rangers. I feel like, in retrospect, I probably should have tried to offer my vast mechanical knowledge on his bike, which is minimal at best. So I let the Rangers know, and I guess Match and Chris are gonna go rescue him. That's embarrassing. No, it's not. I've needed to be rescued multiple times. So they're on their way.
Alright, thank you, man. I appreciate it.
What do you think's wrong with it?
I don't know, it just died on me.
And it
Never happened.
Oh, it looks like there's a bunch of oil back there. Is that new or?
Yeah, it's new oil.
Okay. Yeah, that's not good. Yeah, I think they were getting in their truck right now, so it should just be like a couple minutes.
Alright, man. Thank you.
Sure. Good luck. Ah, damn it. I changed my mind. Something. Even if I would have offered to try to help him with his bike, I couldn't have really done much because it looked like the engine just grenaded itself. A poor two-stroke. Christ almighty. This is the most ridiculous bullshit. Oh my lord. I've never gotten stuck there before. And this is gonna be tough. Need momentum, need momentum. Freaking Loma Parada. I swear this is the very first time I was dirt biking on my 690 Enduro, I had done Trail 1 a few times, and I thought I was good. So I went on Loma Prieta, and I broke my clutch lever, I broke my brake lever, I broke my hand guards, I bent the rear brake pedal. What is this? That's a great parking job. See, man, quads, right? Quad riders have no intelligence, or just like, what kind of person rides a quad? And what kind of person thinks it's okay to park your bikes side by side, blocking the trail completely, when there's numerous options to do otherwise, and you leave it running too? You're probably gonna roll away down the hill. Whatever. I wonder if that guy was waving at me, was it to get my attention, or just say, yes, I recognize that I did a stupid thing by parking like a jackass. Please forgive me for my jackassery. I should check on their rescue. Ooh. Oh my God. I see a giant spiky rock and my front wheel is just fixated on it. Oh my God, what in the freaking bumps. And the giant rock just hit my left boot. It's strange. Oh my Lord. Yeah, let's steer by using my weight to shift the entire motorcycle while the rear wheel is locked. Because that's the most efficient way to steer. Ah, God damn it, pay attention.